Ever wondered about the safety of your digital assets and investments, especially when using platforms like Uphold? When you're dealing with your hard-earned money, understanding the regulatory landscape of a financial platform isn't just a good idea, it's essential. This is particularly true in the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency and multi-asset trading. So, let's cut to the chase. Is Uphold UK regulated? United Kingdom. The short answer is yes, Uphold is indeed regulated in the UK. Specifically, Uphold Europe Limited is registered with the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. This isn't just a minor detail, it's a significant indicator of the platform's commitment to operating within established legal frameworks. When a financial firm is FCA registered in the UK, it means they've met certain standards set by the authority. For crypto-asset firms like Uphold, this primarily relates to compliance with the UK money laundering, terrorist financing and transfer of funds, information on the payer, Regulations 2017, MLRs. This ensures that Uphold has robust systems in place to prevent financial crime, such as money laundering and terrorist financing. They are required to adhere to strict anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. So, when you sign up for Uphold, the identity verification process isn't just a formality, it's part of their regulatory obligation. While the FCA registration for crypto-asset activities focuses on AML, Uphold also operates as an electronic money distributor, EMD, agent of an electronic money issuer, Optimus Cards UK Limited, which is authorized and regulated by the FCA to issue e-money. This means that for services related to electronic money, Uphold operates under the oversight of an FCA-regulated entity, adding another layer of regulatory adherence. Furthermore, Uphold is committed to transparency. They publish their real-time reserve holdings, allowing users to verify that the company holds enough assets to back customer balances. This commitment to proof of reserves is a significant step towards building trust in the digital asset space. Now, here's a crucial point to understand. While Uphold is regulated for certain activities, it's important to differentiate between regulation for anti-money laundering purposes and investor protection schemes. Crypto-assets held in an Uphold account do not benefit from the protection provided by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. The FSCS is a UK scheme that protects customers if a financial firm fails. However, crypto-assets are generally considered high-risk investments and are not covered by the FSCS. This means that if Uphold were to go out of business, your crypto-assets held on the platform would not be protected by this scheme. Similarly, the Financial Ombudsman Service, FOS, which handles complaints about financial services, may not be able to consider complaints about all of Uphold's activities, particularly those directly related to crypto-assets. While they may be able to consider complaints about some regulated activities, the scope for crypto-related issues is limited. What this means for you. Uphold Europe Limited is FCA registered for crypto-asset activities, primarily for AML compliance. They operate as an EMD agent for electronic money services, adding another layer of indirect FCA oversight. Uphold is committed to transparency and publishes its proof of reserves. Crucially, your crypto-assets on Uphold are not protected by the FSCS, and the FOS may have limited scope for crypto-related complaints. This means that while Uphold operates within a regulated framework in the UK, you should always be aware of the inherent risks associated with investing in crypto-assets. Do your own research, understand the terms and conditions, and only invest what you're prepared to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.